In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a blank page in Google Docs in just a few minutes. Whether you're a beginner or a busy professional, this simple step-by-step guide will get you there. Let's dive in. First, we'll address the most common and straightforward method. Often, an unwanted blank page is simply caused by extra invisible paragraph breaks. To fix this, place your cursor at the very top of the blank page. If you can't see it, just click around in the top left corner until it appears. Now, simply press the Backspace key on your keyboard. You may need to press it several times to remove all the hidden paragraph breaks. Keep pressing it until your cursor jumps to the end of the text on the previous page and you'll see the blank page vanish completely. This is the quickest fix when it works. Now, I'm just adding the blank page back so we can explore a second method, which can be useful if the first one doesn't work for some reason or if you have a lot of empty space to clear. For our second method, instead of blindly backspacing, we're going to visually select and delete the empty space. Go to the blank page and place your cursor at the very top. Now, click and drag your mouse all the way down to the bottom of the page, highlighting all the empty space. Once everything is selected, just press the backspace or delete key once. This action removes all the selected empty paragraph lines at once, and just like before, the blank page is gone. This can be more effective if you have many empty lines to remove. If the first two methods fail, the issue might be your formatting, specifically paragraph spacing. A common culprit is having a space after paragraph setting on the very last line of your text. This can create empty space that forces a new blank page. To fix this, first, place your cursor at the end of the last line of your actual text. Next, go to the Format menu at the top. From the drop-down, hover over Line and Paragraph Spacing, and then select Custom Spacing. In the window that appears, look at the Paragraph Spacing section. If the before or after boxes have any value other than 0, change them both to 0. Once you've done that, click the Apply button. This removes the extra spacing, pulling the cursor back onto the main page and deleting the blank one. Our final method involves checking the page margins. Sometimes, especially with tables or images at the end of a document, the content might be just a fraction too large to fit on the page, forcing a page break. To check your margins, navigate to the File menu and scroll down to select Page Setup. In the Page Setup window, you'll see the Margins section with settings for top, bottom, left, and right. The standard is typically 1 inch for all sides. If an element is barely overflowing, you could try reducing one of these margins slightly, for example, changing the bottom margin to 0.75 inches. This can provide just enough extra space to pull the content back from the blank page. After checking, you can click OK to apply any changes. And there you have it. You've successfully learned 4 different ways to delete a blank page in Google Docs. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.